In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to back up your courses to your resources. It is a good idea to back up materials from your courses at the end of each school year. This saves all your materials, both published and unpublished, to your resources. It will strip the course materials of due dates and removes any member associations. This will allow you to access these materials in the future to easily copy assignments or entire folders to future courses. To do this, navigate to the Materials section of the course you would like to back up. Select Option, and from this drop-down menu, select Save Courses to Resources. This will save all the materials in a folder in your home collection. The folder will be named the current name of your course. Select Submit when you're ready. You will see the folder here in your home resources with the name of the course. If you want to organize your resources, you can create collections to store your materials in. Think of collections as file folder boxes that hold the folder backups of your previous courses. To create a collection, select the file folder box to add a collection. Name the collection and click Create. Once you have created collections, you can easily move things from your home resources to that collection by selecting the gear icon and the Move To button. From here, select the collection to move those materials to and click Move.